Hey everyone, I want to show you how both our Gale databases and EBSCO databases will export directly to NoodleTools. So let me go back to open up NoodleTools first. You can go on the library page and click the NoodleTools link here. Or if you are in Google, click the icon for the Google Apps and then scroll down and look for the NoodleTools logo. If you've never used it, you may have to start your account. But once you're there, you have different projects you're working on. So let me just make one for today. And I'll leave it as MLA. I'll make it as, just leave it as advanced. That's fine for this one. So then if you click on sources, this is where you'll start gathering your sources. But these two databases will put them automatically for you. As you see now, there's nothing here. But if I have an article in EBSCO, I can cite this entire article that is here, that is the overview of the topic, or you can cite individual point and counterpoint articles as well. So let me click on the point article. The citation here just gives you a place to copy and paste it, but a trick to get it to export, if you click PDF full text over here on the right, there's a little piece of notebook paper that if you hover over it, it will say cite. So click that. Then you click export to bibliographic management software. Now NoodleTools is not listed, but it is an option. So click that and then click direct export to NoodleTools and click save. It will bring up a box in NoodleTools asking you where you want to save it. You can make any changes here if you need to, but generally you can just keep it as is. Then come down and let me move this up some for you or over. Choose what project you want. Now I just created this one with today's date, so that is the one that I will save it to. Click import references and then you get the green box saying this was done correctly. Then you can close that box. Now if you go back to Gale, it works very much in the same way. So let me close that tour there. You can cite the entire overview. If you click read more, you can get there. You can choose different points or viewpoints you want to explore. I'm just going to do the overview for today. So click read more. And then just like before in EBSCO, there is a cite button in Gale. So click that. And then it's even easier here. You just click the NoodleTools icon. It takes you back to that same screen. Make sure you're in the right project and then click import references. So now if I go back to NoodleTools, you see there's nothing there, but if I refresh this page, there are my two citations. Now, just as a reminder, when you have everything in here you need, you click the print export button, choose that you want to create a Google Doc, choose your account if you need to, and then it will create your works cited for you. It puts everything in alphabetical order. It has the correct spacing, correct margins, correct font, and everything else. So this is ready to share with your teacher. If your teacher needs you to add a heading or anything else to that, please follow those directions. And if you need to add this to the end of another paper you're writing, you can just copy and paste it from here and then copy it here and then paste it into your last page of your paper. So if you have questions, please let me know. And my email is on the library website.